judge says that Chesterfield County's practice of routinely withholding certain information from the public appears to conflict with the policies of the state's government transparency law, which requires openness. Now, at the center of this case is a citizen who says she would not take no for an answer when the county denied her access to information.
I see where people could be easily dissuaded from accessing public records when this is what you have to go through to get them.
Charlotte Carter is challenging the Chesterfield County government in an effort to get information about police incidents that happened on her property involving her. In 2022, she asked for body camera footage, 911 calls, and police reports from law enforcement. But she says her requests were first denied, and then she was told it would cost $24,000 to produce the materials. The county said that fee reflected the size of her request.
It's been almost a year and a half now that I've been fighting this and trying to get these documents. I don't feel $24K is a reasonable assessment.
So Carter sued the county, police, and Chief Jeffrey Katz, alleging violations of the Freedom of Information Act, or FOIA. A central point of the suit claims that Chesterfield's countywide policy to always withhold information that it has discretion to release goes against the very spirit of FOIA. Chesterfield's website says it is the county's practice to invoke all exemptions that are applicable to any request for records, citing a desire to protect privacy of individuals and criminal investigations.
I think it's just a way to block the public from accessing records that we have a right to.
Carter's attorney, Joy Ramsing, says FOIA is a law that presumes all records are open to the public, not the other way around.
Anytime they have the discretion to deny, they're always going to say no. Well, that's not really using your discretion if you're already setting out your purpose is that you're going to say no, no matter what.
But Chesterfield filed an objection. According to court transcripts, the county argues that it's just simply letting people know these are the records we routinely withhold from production when requested, and that determining whether an exemption applies is inherently discretion. However, Judge William Shaw appeared to disagree. In an order he issued on Thursday, Shaw threw out all of the county's objections to Carter's lawsuit. He says that Carter's claims have legal validity and said, on its face, the county's policy clashes with the policy of openness under FOIA.
And so I think that there may be other policies across the state that are going to be affected by this.
I've heard of this all over the state. It's usually law enforcement. Sometimes school districts will do it too.
While an official decision on the policy is still to come, transparency advocates like Megan Ryan believe a favorable ruling would have wide-reaching impacts.
What I don't like to see is an assumption that, oh, well, because it is this type of record, then it automatically is going to fall under our policy.
Moving forward, Carter hopes she can get that changed.
I think every citizen should take part in accountability with our government and accessing public records. Our tax money is going towards funding them, and we should know what is going on within the departments.
Now, today I did reach out to Chesterfield County and the Board of Supervisors to ask about the FOIA policy in question. The county attorney says that they cannot comment at this time since litigation is pending. I'm Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.